Go on my YouTube family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. In this video, I'm going to share with you I prepare my ham. You know, holiday season coming up. We have to make some ham. First and foremost, big up Father God, oh yeah? Alright, now we're going to jump into the intro.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So this is the ham I'm using. It's a smoked ham and it's already pre-cooked. So for the glaze, here I have some molasses. Here I have some honey. Over here I have some garlic. I have some blend green season. This have ginger, everything in it. Okay, you could see the ginger. This have everything in it. Pepper, everything for the flavor. Okay. Here I have some nutmeg powder. I have some cinnamon powder. And the star of the show, red sweet wine. Yeah, so we not use no pineapple juice like what everybody use, my people. We use some red sweet wine. Here I have a stick of butter. Okay. Alright, now we're going to start off to make the glaze first. Alright, my people, now I'm making the glaze. First, I'm going to start off with the butter. I'll melt the butter. Now that the butter melt, I'm going to add the blend garlic, which is the garlic paste. I will list all the ingredients in the caption, my people. So you want to make sure the garlic cook. Now I'm going to add the green season, the blend green season. And you could get the recipe for the blend green season from my website. Now I'm going to add the cinnamon powder. Now I'm going to add the nutmeg powder. Now I'm going to add the honey. And now I'm going to add the molasses. This is what I use to substitute the sugar. So if you can't get molasses, you could use the sugar, okay? 2 measuring cups of red sweet wine. Now I'm going to allow this to come to a boil. Okay, my people, so now the glaze come to a boil. So I'm going to allow this to simmer for 15 minutes to burn out the alcohol from the wine. So you're just going to have the flavor, okay? So I'm just going to put it on low heat to just burn out the alcohol from the wine, okay? Yo, it smells so good, yo. Cinnamon, the nutmeg, the wine, the green season, the garlic. Wow. All right, my people, the glaze is ready. Now I'm going to set it aside until I'm ready to use it, okay? Okay, we cut this bad boy out, this mesh. My people, this, we're not going to use this. We already make our glaze, okay? So this is trash. That not have no flavor to it, you get me? Look how pretty this is, my people. This is a perfect ham, okay? It have the bone in the middle to hold it up. So this is the tray I'm using, my people, okay? The reason I'm using this pan, because I have a wing rack for this pan. I'm going to add some water in the pan, my people, so the ham don't get dry out in the oven, okay? The water go keep it moist. So I'm just going to add the water like this. That's good enough. So it's just gonna keep moist in the oven. It's not gonna dry out because remember it already cooked, it pre-cooked. So you don't want it too dry. You get what I say? Alright. Now I'm gonna wrap it with file paper. Seal it up with the file paper. Okay, my people, so now I'm gonna put it in the oven for an hour. But the first 20 minutes, I'm gonna take it out and add the glaze to it. Every 20 minutes, I add the glaze to it. The whole thing gonna take an hour and 15 minutes. Guys, remember I already cooked. That's the reason why I put the water to it and I put it on a put the cover over it so it could steam, okay? I already have my oven preheated at 350 degrees, so now I'm going to put it inside the oven. Alright, my people, see you in 20 minutes time. Okay, my people, now the first 20 minutes are already up, so now I'm going to take it out the oven and brush on some of the glaze on it. And keep the rack. Alright, well warm up. Well warm up, my people. Alright, so now we're gonna brush the glaze on it, okay? You wanna lean it sideways and make sure so you get the glaze. Make sure you get the glaze inside of it, okay? Turn it on the next side. Yeah, you wanna make sure you get the glaze all in them place, you get me? Okay, my people, so I get the glaze all over in all of the crease. I'm gonna wrap it and put it back in the oven. Put it back in the oven. Okay, my people, I'm going to put it in the oven now and take it out every 20 minutes and brush the glaze on it. Alright, my people, it's been an hour since I'm in the oven, okay? Alright, my people. Look at this, my people. So I already based it 5 times with the glaze. Now I'm going to base it one more time. This time I put it back inside the oven. I'm now going to put the cover on it, okay? I'm now going to put the wrap on it, okay, my people? So this one is to give it color, okay? Now I'm going to turn the oven at 475 degrees to make it have that nice color there, okay, my people? Alright, my people, so this is the finishing touch. My people, look at this. Look on the finishing touch. Look at this. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, my people. I have a lot more recipes to share with you all. Look at this.